Hey guys, Jake and Brenda.
Hello.
Today we are at the Lavender Festival in Logan, Utah.
Millville.
Millville, that's
Utah.
right. We live in Logan, just down the road. But anyways, they have a lot of vendors, and see back here the mountains there, right at the base of a mountain. It's pretty cool.
Yep.
Pretty cool area. So we're gonna go in and check it out. Okay guys, we got in. We're just sitting in the shade right now. They're going to have some entertainment here, but wow,
So
really nice place.
We're waiting for the entertainment, but we'll show you a couple of things.
Yeah.
And it really doesn't. It's just a song that I really enjoy, and I enjoy to sing.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you.
Okay, we're in the festival. I guess we told you that already. We're up in the music part. This is the vendor part over here. Lots of
vendors.
I'll show you the lavender. It's like a lavender field. You walk through it, and I think you pick it or something.
You can, yes. They
What's
charge
that
you,
there?
of course, for doing it. You
Yeah.
pick your own little bouquet, and of course, there's tons of bees. I mean,
Yeah.
tons.
Yeah.
So
Lots of vendors here, music. We're gonna go
Very
down.
nice.
We're gonna go down this side. You see all the vendors down here. Go down this side. Go back up the other. Hey guys, here's the other end of it. Okay guys, we just got back from the Lavender Festival in Millville, Utah, over by Logan. It was interesting, super hot, crowded. They had some pretty good entertainment there, lots of vendors, just about everything,
Yeah.
you'd want, I guess. We didn't stay for the whole thing. We left about 2 o'clock, so, but it was okay.
Yeah,
It wasn't.
one thing I wish we could have done, but we would have had to stay there. They're at sunset.
Oh yeah.
It's a beautiful sunset, and with the
In the settings there, the mountains and everything there, and the
lavender. That's
yeah.
right. The word I was trying to think of.
Yeah.
It would have been a really cool thing to do. Now, had we just gone for that part, that would have been fine. But it was kind of a long day, and it was really hot. So
Yep. But they have a lot of festivals around here. We'll be hitting some more of them here. But yeah, you never know what you're going to get. So they had pretty good entertainment. Though.
yeah, they had
It
good
was
entertainment, and the lavender.
like
field
a field of lavender.
was
pretty
was
cool.
really
You
very
see it in the
pretty,
video
very
there.
pretty. But
Yeah. But yeah, it was.
it was a nice outing.
Yeah, good
It really
day.
was.
So yeah, so we'll be hitting some more of these.
So until next time,
Yeah, tell us where you're watching from.
Yes.
Leave the comments there. That's always interesting. So, all right, till next time. Bye.
bye.